Hey guys, so Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup is regarded as the best smartwatches for Android users. Last year, Samsung released two fitness-oriented wearables, the Galaxy Watch Active and Watch Active 2. But the company's only option that looks like a traditional timepiece is the original Galaxy Watch from 2 years ago. Thankfully, it looks like the new upgrades are finally on the way with a great feature from the original Galaxy Watch. Can you guess which feature I am talking about? Well, it's the physical rotating bezel. Last year's Galaxy Watch Active and Watch Active 2 opted for a virtual replacement, which, while it works, is not half as satisfying due to the need to track the edge of the bezel yourself. But nothing beats the feel and convenience of an actual bezel ring, and it's good to hear it's still going to be a part of Samsung's smartwatch lineup. Now, this information comes from the FCC certification. We also have other details about this watch, but the fact they have passed through FCC hints that a launch could be imminent. If not, our bet would be at the Note 20 launch in August. It also reveals what the next iteration of Galaxy Watch may look like. According to Sam Mobile, as much as 4 variants of Galaxy Watch have been listed on the FCC website. The first 2 variants comes with LTE connectivity and sport 45mm and 41mm sizes carrying the model number SM-R845 and SM-R855. Other 2 variants are Wi-Fi variants and sport 45mm and 41mm sizes with model number SM-R840 and SM-R850. Those numbers line up with the previous Galaxy Watch releases, specifically the non-active models. Also, Samsung will release its new watch in titanium, a variant that's probably going to be costlier than the aluminium and stainless steel models. The watch will also offer Gorilla Glass DX, 5 ATM water resistant, mil standard 810G durability, support for GPS, and also LTE as mentioned above. We have also heard the device will feature 8GB of storage and a larger 330 mAh battery, but there is no conclusive evidence about that. Additionally, Samsung announced it has received a clearance from South Korea's Ministry of Food and Drug Safety to roll out electrocardiogram, that is ECG monitoring feature to Galaxy Watch Active 2. So it's likely that we are going to see this functionality in its upcoming smartwatches as well. So that's about the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. More on this will be coming soon, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.